Yo, what is going on, YouTube fam? Andre Moneyback back at it again with another YouTube video here. Well, today we're going to be going over how to use the Fib tool. But before I get started, just go ahead and smash that like button, destroy it, and put that thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. And also, make sure to click the link in the description so you guys can be joining my live sessions every single day with my students. I jump on live on Pitts Profit Club with all my students and take live trades. And we also do live analysis and live education. So you guys want to join that? Go ahead and click the link in the description, and I'll see you guys there. But okay, let's go ahead and get started. And make sure to watch the end of the video because there's some very, very important stuff that I'll be talking about at the very end of the video. So make sure and watch that too as well. So do not skip, do not watch another video. Just go ahead and watch this full video so that way you guys can learn every single thing that I'm about to teach you guys. That's going to be very, very, very important for you guys to learn when it comes to the Forex market. Because this tool that we're about to use is one of the most important tools that I utilize in my Forex trading, which is the Fibonacci tool, right? So the Fib tool will be right here. If you guys don't know where to find it, all you guys need to do is go to Trading View, click on the tool that you have right here, which will be the third one on the bottom, right here, and it's gonna be the one that says Fib retracement. If you guys don't have it, add as your favorite. Once you guys add as your favorite, it'll pop out up over here. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So the Fib tool, I use it for major key levels when it comes to looking for buys and selling positions, right? So if you guys don't have the setup that I have, just go ahead and take a screenshot of this real quick. Take a screenshot of this. You guys will need that. And also the style, which would be this right here. I'll give you guys a little second so you guys can have it. Okay, and then you also are going to want to have the ones over here, which would be price, levels, and the value would be right and middle. So that's all you need for this Fib retracement tool. And you guys could always add it as a template and save it here as a template. As you guys can see, I have multiple ones, but the main one I use is this one that I'm showing you guys at this moment. So the main levels that you guys want to be looking at when market does a retracement, it's going to be the 7.9, the 7.05, and well, in this case, it would be the 618, which in reality, let's just fix this one. It's not 618, it's fix it to 62. I don't know what happened. It got changed, so let's go ahead and fix that. So instead of 618, it's going to be 62. There we have it. Go ahead and save it. Awesome. So it's going to be the 62, 705, and 79. And now the 0.50, you're not going to be using that one as much. That's just an equilibrium level. So I'm going to just go ahead and explain what each one of them mean. So the 0.50, we call that equilibrium. So now, why do we call it equilibrium? So for a quick example, let's say you go to a shoe store, right? You go to the mall, you want to buy some pair of Jordans. Those pair of Jordans, their normal price are, let's say, 500 bucks. They're 500 bucks. So therefore, it's an equilibrium level. Why? Because you're going to be buying those pair of Jordans for the same value, which is 500 bucks. So most of the time when the market reaches the 0.50, I really don't tend to buy or sell in that area. Why? Because it's at the same level, so the same price that market was before. So I don't want to be getting in or getting out from that price, right? So a lot of people are not going to be buying or selling that price. Therefore, it's just an equilibrium level. It's like a neutral area. Yeah, you can get in, but there's not much going on in that level, right? So then we have the 6.2. The 6.2 is a discounted price. That's what I call a discount. So now what I call that a discount? Because market came in deeper into below 0.50, which is equilibrium. So now instead of those pair of Jordans being 500 bucks, let's say that 6.2, now they're around 450 bucks, right? So now you'll be, okay, now they're 450, they're a little bit cheaper. So I might buy them or I might not because there's not really a big difference of price discount, right? So that's like a maybe that we're gonna be getting for a buy, right? So the 6.2 is like, I might buy them, I might not, I'll see what happens, right? Then the 7.05, the 7.05 is what I like calling the OTE, which is my optimal trade entry level. So now instead of those pair of shoes being 500 bucks, now they're 250. So now instead of being 500, they're 50% discounted. So like right away, out of the bat, you're gonna be thinking in your head, okay, I might just go ahead and buy those shoes right away. I might even buy 2 pairs so that I could sell the other pair down the road when price goes up to normal value, which is 500 bucks. So without a doubt, you are going to want to be buying it in those areas, which is 705 because of this OTE level. Then you have the 7.9 Fib level. The 7.9 Fib level is what I like calling a deep discount. So now, why is it deep discount? Deep discount because instead of being 250 now they're $100. So they're pretty much giving those shoes away, right? So therefore, you're gonna be thinking, oh, I'm gonna even buy 5 pairs, keep 1, sell 4, and once I sell those other 4 pairs, I'm gonna make profits, right? I'm gonna make money when I sell back again. Why? Because you're buying the cheapest it is, so at the lowest price they have it, to then get in for a buy. So a lot of people, which is the banks, are going to be buying at 7.9 and 7.05. These two are what I like calling the golden pockets. The 7.05 and 7.9 are going to be my golden pockets to get in for those buying positions, right? So that's what I use those fib levels for. And now when I get in for a sell position, it's the same thing, same terminology, but you're just getting in for a sale. Instead of calling them discounted prices, now you're going to call them premium levels, right? So if you get in for a short, market from top to bottom, right? So if we get the fib from top to bottom, as we were selling, the 7.9 is going to be my high premium. The 7.05 is still going to be my OTE. The 6.2 will be my premium area. And the 0.05 would be my equilibrium level. So now instead of wanting to buy the lowest, you want to still choose the highest. What's the highest would be on the 7.9 or 7.05, which would be your golden pockets. So always remember, 7.9 and 7.05 are going to be your golden pockets to get in for sales or to get in for buys. So now let's get into the live market and look for some live examples. So let's see GCAD, what's going on? All right, so right now, I want to mark my fib level from my low to my high. Right, so I want to mark it from my lowest point. I always mark it from the wick, my swing low to my swing high, which was all the way up here. As you can see, what happens, market shoots to the upside, and then starts retracing back down, and comes, boom, came into the 7.05, got rejected, went to the upside, then once again, came in lower into a 7.9, came into 7.9 fib level. What happened, got rejected, and went to the upside. So this right here could have been my buy position, as well as over here could have been my other buying position, right? And then now the red levels that you see on this fib level and the green levels, these are optional stop losses that you could have, as well as this would be your optional take profit, the 618, the green one, and the red one would be optional. But then I don't really use them as much, but they're just there to be optional stop losses or optional take profits. So that right there would have been a buy position. So now let's get in, let's start doing some back testing. So let's get it from this low to this high up here. So let's get my swing low to my swing high. What happened? Market went to the upside, retraced down into what level? 7.9 Feb level, and got immediately rejected and started spiking to the upside. So where my buying position would have been? My buying position would have been at the 7.9 Feb level, which is right here, to get in for the upside. Right, so start backtesting a bit more. So now let's get it from our swing low, our swing high to our swing low. So go ahead and check that. Swing high, swing low. So now right here what happened, market retraced to 0.50, which is the equilibrium. Now, like I said, equilibrium level is like I might buy it, I might not, because it's just at the same price that the shoes were used to be. So what am I going to do there? Am I going to sell it? Maybe not. Me personally, I would not get in for a sell there. Mainly the 0.5 is going to work for breaker structure areas, right? So breaker structures areas would be where I want to be looking for my 0.50 to get in for that buy or that sell. But in this case, I'm not really going to get in. So I would not mark this one valid. So I'll get my new swing high right here to my new swing low right here. What happened? Well, market came to 0.50. Also, we're not got in. We're not taking that valid. So let's see my new swing high right here. And my new swing low, which was right here, right on this low here, and my new high up here. All right, so let's see where market went to. Market tapped in the 7.9 right here, right on this candle, and started to spike down. So my selling position would have been in the 7.9 fib level, boom, right there, and we could have got this whole movement to the downside, which came all the way down here, which that would have been around, let's see how many pips would that have been. Let's see. So that would have been around 66 pips that you could have caught, right? I would have got out right there. Why? Because we had this accumulation of price candle in this area. So that's where I would have got out. That would have been a take profit. As you see, came to that optional take profit, that green zone of the fib, and would have hit it and got out before it spiked back up to the upside. Let's go ahead and look for more examples. Let's see. Let's look for a market movement to the downside. So swing high right here, swing low. So let's go ahead and check that. Swing high to swing low. Market came and tapped into what level? The 7.9 right here, 7.9 premium level. So that's where I would have gone in for a sale and caught this movement to the downside. And then if I would have gone in for a buy, well, let's see, a swing low to swing high, which would be like swing low, swing high up here. In this case, it came down to what level? The 705. Boom, there we have it, 705. Would have got in for a buy right here. And got this push to the upside right there. And there we go. Then once again, that's just what you want to be using, the fib. That will swing highs, so swing lows to look for those important levels to get in for that buy or get in for that sell. Let's kind of check a different pair of seats. GPCHF. What is going on in GPCHF? So GPCHF as well, swing low to my new swing high, which is right here. Current market price, swing low, swing high. Market came to what level? The 6.2 discounted price. Could have gone in for a buy there and caught this move to the upside. So let's see. So right here, my swing high to my swing low. Market came to what level? 705. And this is where I would have got in for a sale, made a rejection, and caught this move to the downside. And that's pretty much how you use the fib. I hope you guys learned something new on this video. So you guys want to be looking mainly for the 7.9 and that 705 fib level. So you guys could start getting in for those sniper entries, right? So fib level is one of the most important rules, tools that you're going to be using. On top of that, you guys could also be using the conventional price candle, which I will be teaching you guys how to add the conventional price candles to your fib level to add a stronger confirmation for you to get in for that buy or that sell position. With that being said, guys, I want you guys to smash the like button, help out that YouTube algorithm to go up, and turn on your post notifications on, so that way every time I drop a new video, you guys are there and ready to watch that new video that will be uploaded. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, happy trade and happy day.